Okay, this is another inspection video. Alienware 17R4. Alienware 17R4. What's wrong with this guy? i7 7th gen. RAM, what do you got? NVIDIA GPU. It's got a 1 TB HDD. What? Where is the? Oh, here we go. 512 gig. That is the KXG50 ZN V512 GB. So that says this might have been bought in China. 16 gig DDR4. All right, so this is a decent machine to give a new life to. Right on, battery is good. Okay, so they tried to do a factory reset and it failed. They kept going into a boot loop. Let's do the same thing with this guy. Boot into our hard drive. F10, yes, and F12. Okay. Boot options. This has a very nice high quality screen. Okay. On the other laptop, it took a while. Alienware 15. It's probably because of the failing hard drive, the C drive. It's not very responsive. Hmm, mate. Oi, bugger off. Out. Shoo. Shoo. Is that? Okay, wait. Okay, let's do the same thing. I like seeing the graph. So 70%. And let's see how they try to reset it. Oh, the C drive is not even there anymore. Yeah, it failed. It killed itself. Okay. And the other one. Bro, why are they both failing? That is so damn interesting. Yeah, it is interesting, eh? Yeah, no, okay. Alright, we'll replace this guy too. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. And this one is what kind of a hard drive? Let's check that too. KXG50ZN512G. It's an NVMe, okay. Okay. Yeah, 2.9 gigabits a second. Okay. I guess everything else seems good on this. And have a look on the inside quickly. It's not even hot. Yeah, NVMe. Okay, it's indeed pristine, clean condition. Amazing. Alright, we'll just do the upgrade for this and that will be it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.